make your own design, huh? You have some hole here and there. So, hey there. Today is now Saturday, and you know what? Last night I could not sleep. I don't know why. I think I have so much in my mind. So I went out with my mom and we went to the market. We offered the food to the monk, and it was so interesting because I haven't been in the market like this for a while. So walking around and see people like selling different things and colorful, and also meet an amazing grandma who sells the sweet there, and she's so lovely. I also have footage I'm gonna insert here for you guys. I'm a bit sad right now because I lost the footage of me interviewing my sister, like talking to her, and she was introducing herself and talking about crochet, which design she want to make, but now most of the footage are gone. So yeah, it's this headband that she want to crochet. The thing is, when she said to me she want to make bags, she want to make tops, she want to make headband, I have no idea that she has never hold a hook before in her life. And yeah, it was a very nice conversation, but I lost that one already. So now it just has this footage of her trying to do chain. So it was not easy for her. She spent all day, like let's say half day, to learn how to make chain. As you can see, the yarn keep breaking, and this yarn is Lana Grossa. We actually talk about this yarn a lot in the footage that I lost. So yeah, it was not the right yarn for her though to start her first project because it's like DK weight and it's quite tiny for the beginner. But she wants this yarn, so yeah, it's not that easy. And I love that she is so hooked, like she just not stop crocheting all day long. Well, I'm gonna show you the end of that day, what she managed. But before that, let's have a look what my mom is cooking right now. This is my, like one of my favorite dishes that I always have to eat when I come back to Thailand. This is egg fried with kai, like fried with the vegetable called sha'om, so it's called kai sha'om. And look at all these chilies. She's gonna make spicy sauce to eat with that kai sha'om. So here it's called nam prik kapi. Kapi is like a shrimp paste in there, and my mom is mixing the chili, garlic, and yeah, this kapi inside. And I think she also put some little bit of sugar, lemon, and yeah, this is my mom, my beautiful mama. And voila, here is how it look like at the end. It's super yummy. And look at them, now they are crocheting together. It was so funny because my mom was like, oh, you don't know how to do, I will show you how to do. And my sister was like, oh, you know how to crochet, then show me. And they were just hooked with the crochet, you know. I was like, let's go for a walk, you guys just sitting crochet all day and doing chain, and I just want to go for a walk. And they were like, no, I want to crochet. And it was just, yeah, funny to witness how they're hooked on crocheting. อ่าดูสิดูมือไหนถึงไหนแล้ว open then I can see better. You make your own design, huh? You have some hole here and there. So can you tell us what do you think about crochet after spend all day trying to do chain and single crochet?
I think it's better to purchase it, not to make it. It's kind of difficult and take time, but it's good for me to learn the new things.
But you enjoy, no? Because
Yeah,
you
really
spend
enjoy
all
it.
day. You don't
I
even
think so.
want to go out for a
I
walk.
can make it.
Let me see close up. Yeah, this is your first day. Look at that. You do it good. You just need 1 week to repeat.
Yeah, 1 week.
Repeat the same thing, and I'm sure you can do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe when you come back again, you can see a little clip here.
Yeah, and maybe this will be something your own design.
Yeah.
I will show you how to put it together as your own design, as your unique hair clip, or I don't know, but you can do it for sure. Look, this is your first day. Come on, you did it so well. Yeah, and you make mom want to do it too.
Yes.
So it's so nice to crochet, to see you crochet. And would you like to say anything to those who like complaining when they buy crochet item and they think it's too expensive? What do you want to say to them?
No. Not at all.
Because it take long time, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So good. And it's like a meditation, right? Because you were saying like you just be in the moment. Now when I asked you, it's like a meditation. You like you don't even want to pick up your phone. You were all day with your
Yeah.
yarn and hook.
Correct.
That's nice. So thank you so much for doing this today. And yeah, we will finish this together next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with my sister and my mom in Bangkok. I am already in the south Thailand in Koh Phangan. So the next video I will show you what you will need to come here, do and don't on the island. I don't know if I said correctly, but yeah, this place is amazing. I have been, like I just arrived yesterday, I've been around already, and I just fall in love again with Koh Phangan. So the next video I will show you Koh Phangan. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. And to Stephanie got this top, there is a tutorial on my channel just right there. Have a look. And I wish you all a beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this video until the end. If you have any question, anything about travel to Thailand, or any question about being a solo traveler, anything at all, I would love to answer that question for you. Yeah, see you next time. Have a beautiful, beautiful time wherever you are. Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you. Bye bye.